Dear friends, if you ask me, whom you have loved and for whom you have sacrificed your whole life, then you ask one person, Dr. Kalpana Jha, the sister of my wife, Dr. Vandana Jha, or Dr. Pratima Jha, the wife of Dr. Jagdish Jha, the general manager of HEC Ranchi, because they are the honest people, they can tell you. And there is another man, Mr. Salandar Jha. He can also narrate the story, for whom I sacrificed my whole life. It was none but my wife, Dr. Vandana Jha. She was a very talented, a person with ability or the most powerful brain to become anything and everything without any ambition, without any desire. When I got engaged with her, I always believed in becoming something very useful and productive to the society and to the country. She wanted to be a housewife just like her mother. I inspired her and motivated her and pushed her in the direction of greatness and success. And she was such a talented that her mother used to say, "You cannot make a donkey a horse." That's true. You cannot push anyone to become a great, successful person. As she has reservoir of talents, intelligence, self-respect and pride, she really accepted the challenge and started working very hard. She mastered so many subjects. In her MSc Chemistry in Bihar University, there was a subject called quantum mechanics. I, being student of Professor B.N. Roy, a great quantum physicist, so I taught her quantum mechanics and she was the best. Everywhere she was the best. She was a great athlete. Shuttle champion IIT Kharagpur, Kabaddi champion and so many champions. She was really very sportive student, very hardworking. So that is the person for whom I made supreme sacrifice. The world knows. I left my home. I annoyed my parents and my mentor, Mr. Ram Sudesh Chaudhary, really started hating me because his dream was to see that when I am an IS officer, I should marry some girl from the topmost family of India, maybe some minister's daughter. So he didn't like that I should marry so early, get engaged with some ordinary child who was just matriculate. But I saw the talents. I was influenced by the pride, reputation and prestige of that great family. Since childhood we were growing, learning about the heroism, the valiance and the great character of that family. Late Sri Jatadhari Jha, you can say the modern Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji, Rana Pratap, Maharana Pratap, anybody you can name for that matter. That family has been a very prestigious and very proud family. They were not very rich, but as far as dignity, honor and pride goes, they were the top. There were so many rich people in that vicinity. Sudnarayan Chaudhary was one of the landlord. Yamuna Jha, another landlord. And there were so many rich family in the vicinity. Rupavli, Kamala, they were from Salempur in Saranjan district, Saranjan block, but pride and reputation was unparalleled. That's the reason I picked up that family, and I got the opportunity to transform this Vinnu Jha into a great person. Doctorate in Material Science and Engineering from IIT Kharagpur. She did great job in NMDC, resigned to look after the career of her daughter Vishnu Vishesh, and As you know, the life is not a better process. Ups and downs are there. They have not been successful by nobody. Things will be improving. As my Guru and Guide Buddha said, day and night, ups and downs. There is a wheel on the affairs of human being revolves, and its mechanism is such that it is not having consistency of always being miserable or always being happiest moments. But if you are very sincere, the wheel of fate turns ups and downs, day and night. So I leave them on their fate and destiny. They do not listen to me because they are very well groomed and well developed person. I don't force them also. Thank you very much, viewers. Get inspired. Achieve greatness. Thank you.